siyempre po maraming salamat sa pag-ganon nyo ngayong gabi at sa suporta na binibigay nyo sa amin. Nakakataba ko talaga ng puso at nagpapasalamat kami ng maraming salamat.
Nay, ano masasabi mo? Yung mga fans mo talaga super cheer!
Maligalig yung mga yan.
Hindi, love ka nila. Kaya ganyan sila makacheer, di ba? Ayan. And of course, Jericho Rosales. Echo, please.
Hi, I'm Blaine. Hi, Eric. Tuwa po ako na napasama ako sa new generation of actors.
Okay.
Thanks for being here with us.
Galing.
We're so stoked to be here.
Yeah. Yay! Thanks, Echo. And of course, ang iyong katabi na napakaganda, Janine Gutierrez.
Yes, hello po. Thank you so much. Lalong-lalo na sa mga fans at kaibigan at kapamilya namin na talagang nag-effort para manood kasabay namin today. Iba din kasi yung experience na sabay-sabay kayong nanonood.
Right.
Naririnig nyo yung mga reaction, yung mga pilihan. So, salamat po sa pag-effort sa pagpunta dito ngayong araw. Also, of course, to our friends from the press. Sana po nagustuhan nyo at abangan nyo pa ang mga susunod na kaganapan.
Why are you blushing?
Blush.
Blush. Okay naman. No, Janine, kasi nung first interview natin during the look test, hindi ka pa sanay sa kontrabida na parang ganun yung boses. Ngayon, kamusta?
Ayun.
Adjusted na. Ayun. Of course. Jolina Magdanga, the one and only.
Meron pang mga maliliit na kayo galit din. Ay, ganyan. Pero thank you po sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Ang sarap ng feeling na nararamdaman din namin yung energy ng lahat ng nandito. Kaya mas nadadagdagan po yung aming pakiramdam. Kanina nga napapag-usapan po namin na kahit alam na namin na inarte namin nung time na yun, pero pag napanood pala ng dikit-dikit na iba yung feeling. And siguro pag kumpleto na pag napanood natin yung mga hindi na nga napalabas na eksena. So, abangan ang masusunod na kabanata.
Grabe. I must say, I love your style, I love your earrings.
As a rocker girl po ako.
As a rock chick. As a rock. And of course, the very demure, the very mindful, the very cutesy, Jody Santa Maria. Jody, bakit ka please?
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Gabi na nga ba? Yun. So, thank you so much for taking the time to be here today. Sobrang importante po sa amin na ibinigay niyo sa amin na hindi na namin maibabalik sa inyo ang inyong oras. So, salamat po sa pagbigay sa amin ng isang bagay na hindi namin maibabalik.
Diba? Diba? So, opening pa lang no? Pasabog na kagad yan.
So, thank you. We just want to show our appreciation po sa inyong lahat, sa bawat soul na nandito ngayong gabi, sa aming mga pamilya, sa aming mga walang sawang taga-suporta, at syempre sa aming mga sa mga taong tumutulong sa Lavender Field. So, thank you and good evening.
Alright, simulan na natin ang ating media conference. Siguro, first question is, how does it feel seeing it up on the big screen? Kahit na medyo special edit siya, ano na yung pakiramdam? Whoever wants to answer. Jody.
It feels, parang different. It's like you're watching, a film or a series na hindi ikaw yung nag-play na actor.
May ganun?
I mean, ganun siya nag-strike sa akin because I don't really watch my, yung pag nagpe-playback after ng mga scenes, hindi ako nanonood.
Sa monitor, hindi na?
Oo, kasi naiilang ako.
Okay.
So, parang ginod naman na Netflix, so I trust okay naman yung So, ngayon, pag binuo mo na siya, pinagdikit-dikit mo na siya, kasi parang pieces of puzzle yan
Right.
Pag ginagawa namin, hindi naman namin siya sinushoot chronologically. Pero ngayon, pag nakita mo yung may mga moments na parang shocks, parang it's as if hindi mo alam na yun yung mangyayari. Parang bago sa'yo lahat, ang fresh.
Sa mga directors natin, ano ba ang pakiramdam seeing it in big screen? Lahat ng yung pinaghirapan, Direct Manu.
Of course, napanood na namin to, no? While the series was being edited. Pero iba talaga kapag nakita mo siya, napakalaki. No, tama yung sabi ni Jody, di ba? Nag-iba yung pakiramdam mo when you're inside the cinema. And of course, again, I encourage people to watch it again sa TV. Kasi iba rin naman yung experience when you're watching in the comforts of your own homes, di ba? At kanina, ang naano ko lang, nagka-flashback yung mga, alam ko, I think first sequence natin on our very first day, ay ito yung nangyari nung kinukunan to, ang eksenan to. Ang daming memories din na bumabalik while at the same time trying to immerse myself in the subduing pleasure na first time makita on a big screen yung aming project.
Jericho.
It's a mix of personal and I guess with the experience of sa lahat ng tao na dito, I guess we should also ask them how enjoyable it is to see the performances on a much bigger screen. Na-enjoy niyo ba lahat? Masarap, diba? Masarap panoorin yung performances ng lahat na nakita mo sa big screen. But for me this year, my wish was to see my face on a big screen, and thank you, Lord.
Eto na!
But yeah, like you know, like just watching it with everybody, and then you know, us artists, masarap pakiramdam na appreciate yung bawat kibot na ginagawa namin sa set. So we're just filled with appreciation, and of course, it's all about entertainment, and we're so entertained, excited, and thrilled. So thanks for the experience.
Gusto kong tanongin kasi yung sa part na naabutan ko, yung naghahabulan na, yung parang papatayin na si Jody. Anong ang reaction niyo, Janine? Tapos sinobas din si Inay Maria na pag yung bawat labas ninyo nakikisigaw, naririnig niyo yung sigawan at hiyawan ng mga audience. Janine.
Sobrang saya. Tsaka, same as Ate Jody na parang nakakalimutan mo din na ikaw yun, in a way. Na parang immersed ka sobra sa kwento, tapos sobrang action, tapos parang ako din napapatili eh. Pasensya na sa mga nasa likod ko, Miss Kylie. Pero sobrang exciting kasi to see it all parang in its final form.
Right.
Tapos na marinig na yung katabi mo na excite or parang ganun. Sobrang exciting. Tsaka ako nainis talaga ako kay Tyrone kasi nakita ko yung mga pinagagawa niya habang nandun si Iris sa bahay. Ano ba ito? Hindi ko na alam nararamdaman ko. Ang saya.
Go ahead. Eko, you wanna say something?
Hindi na, okay lang. Sometimes I have to stop myself.
Nay, ikaw, Nay Maria. Yung taghiyawan sila sa'yo kanina.
Sabi ko, ayan. Wala naman. Wala pa. Okay, hinahon. Ang mga puso natin. Nakakatuwa kasi totoo yung sinabi ni Jody kanina. Kasi pag nag-shoot kami, nakakonsentrate lang kasi kami doon sa ginagawa namin. Hindi namin alam yung ano mangyayari. Anong dami. Kasi hindi naman kami makikipanood ng tawag doon? Playback. Yung preview. Hindi kami nanonood.
Nay, yung one line mo lang eh. I-andar mo na. Yun lang. Di ba?
Yeah, actually.
That one line alone
Very simple, yes.
kind of moved the whole cinema. Galing. Okay, magtawagan tayo ng ating mga kasamahan sa press, kaya AJ, na magtatanong for tonight. Let's begin with Alan Sancon, kasi nandito si Alan eh. Bigyan na natin yung floor kay Alan.
Plan, we request that you use the microphone. It's either doon or here para ano.
We'll do it alternately, yung mga wala dito and yung mga nandito. Let's begin with Alan Sancon of Stars Photo.
Hello po. Good evening everyone. Yeah, good afternoon. Congratulations to the new, ito yung bagong teleserye ng ABS. Yung first question ko to Echo, parang tagal-tagal ka namin hindi nakita on, di ba, on screen. Parang na-miss ka ng mga fans mo, mga co-artists mo. Why you decided to accept the role and ano yung challenges you encounter?
Ilang years nga, Echo, no? Ilang years before ka ulit lumabas?
2017, 2018.
Wow.
2018.
Nakakamiss naman talaga.
6 years, 6 years. Oo. Naligaw ako eh. No. First of all, I want to thank all the people I work with dito sa show and sa Dreamscape for actually offering me the role of Tyrone and Arthur, because I had no expectations. And I was really blown away. I might as well have, sana nagkaroon na lang expectation. Just watching the final product was just amazing. So I want to thank my directors for, just having the vision talaga. And we all shared the same thing. It's nice to be in working with a group who share the same energy and share vision. And that's what I got. So, ang feeling ng pagbalik mo, gano'n, and then ABS, like, buhay ulit yung relationship namin. It never died naman, but, coming back to ABS felt like coming back to home. And then, having our friends here watch it, and then it's such a great show. I'm not kidding, I'm so proud of it. I feel like I made the best decision this year.
Yes!
So, thank you very much. It's the best time to, to just, one word na lang, para madaldal ako eh. I don't want to turn my back on my artist again. And this is it, full embrace. Yeah. And this is the best thing to share it with.
Saka once an actor, always an actor. Thank
you.
It's always there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Echo. Congratulations. Welcome back.
Thank you so much.
Second question.
I want to ask you, Alan, how do you feel that I'm back?
So, back.
Oh, it is a serious question, di ba? Parang na-mistake.
Why not? Sige nga, Alan. Ikaw nga. Ano pakiramdam mo ni Alan?
Siyempre, na-miss ng mga fans mo yung acting.
Ikaw ang tinatanong, hindi yung fan.
Personally, na-miss namin talaga yung Echo.
Thank you, I love you.
And you still remember us, di ba, nung dumadaan siya kanina dun sa red carpet, binati niya kami yung mga familiar faces.
OG.
Ganun naman si Jericho.
Yeah, that's my strategy talaga, because I always forget names.
Thank you. Thank you, Echo. Congratulations. Second question ko for Jody. Grabe, Jody, no? Grabe ka rito sa...
Yes!
Makawa tayo the whole 2 hours.
Alam namin hindi ka tumatanggap ng role ng parang yung same, di ba? Same ang inuulit. Talagang bago ka tumanggap, talagang tinikta mong bago to. Yan, parang bago talaga na nakita namin Jody dito. Action, di ba? Parang tinalo mo si Tomb Raider dito and yung mga fight scenes mo, di ba? Hindi, tanong namin, how was it? Kumbaga, how was it? Paano ka nag-prepare dun sa character mo? And paano ka nag-training? And ano yung mga na-encounter mo during the times na nasaktan ka ba? Ano yung mga challenges you encounter during the shoot?
When it was first offered to me, I think yung isa sa mga bagay na nagpa-yes sa akin sa project is it's new. It's something that I haven't done before. And ako kasi parang I always welcome challenges, and parang I feel na parang when I begin to doubt myself whether if I could do or I could do it or not, parang the more na nanggigigil ako na hindi, kailangan ko siyang gawin. So yun yung una. And then the next is, how do I prepare? So we did a lot of training. We did a lot of strength and conditioning because we don't want anyone to get injured naman on set. Isa lang yun dun sa maraming component na kailangan mong gawing preparation for the role. Kasi may physical aspect ka, there's also the emotional aspect, your relational aspect to your co-actors, diba, sa roles nila. And a lot of psychological aspect also. So we have to do a lot of parang digging. Anong nangyari? Kung may mga missing na parang bagay, trabaho mo as an actor na i-fill in yung blanks or fill in the gaps, hindi ba? And a lot of talking and meeting and collaboration with everyone, from our creative team to our directors, even to my co-actors na we discuss our scenes, paano natin gusto to gawin. So mahaba siyang proseso. So part yun ng preparation before mo gawin yung, let's say, yung scene. Kung meron mga nasaktan, ay oo. Ito na yata yung parang nagkapasa-pasa na ako dito left and right. Parang every time na uuwi ako sa bahay, parang may bago akong baon. Baong pasa. Ganon. Pero it's all part of the job. So, and I'm just really thankful na I got to do this with these wonderful people. I'm just grateful. My heart is full.
Congratulations. Worth it naman yung mga pasa mo. Ang ganda-ganda ng pinalabasan mo.
Abangan nyo, alam kasi wala pa yan. Kasi pagdating ng second week, third week, grabe, umaatikabong action na talaga. Hindi pwedeng lumipas ang isang linggo na walang mangyayaring, hindi balian. Parang action scenes, ganyan.
Ikaw ba yung nagpapa-double or talagang ikaw yung gumagawa talaga ng mga scenes?
As much as possible, ako talaga.
Share nyo lang jokes yung training nyo ng 5 araw, 1 week. Pero araw-araw kayo ni Jody, kayo ni Echo, kayo ni... Di ba, ang dami yung pinagdaanan, parang 6 hours a day.
Ang nangyayari kasi, before kami mag-shoot, may masa-schedule na action sequences, hindi binubuo yung routine sa set. Binubuo yun ng stunt director namin prior to the scene na kukunan. So, naglalaan talaga kami ng time for rehearsal. Para din, go ahead.
No. I was just telling them how you wanted to start this Zumba before mag-take kami. Nagzo-Zumba kami lahat. Just to warm up.
Sa'yo.
Led by
Jody.
The Diamond Star. Sorry,
Bye-bye dancer.
Bye-bye dancer. Ganun muna kami. Bago kami sumalang. Para alam mo yung circulation. Ganon.
Sample daw, sample.
Bye-bye dancer. Ay, kumambo. Sinanay.
Siya yung leader namin. Di ba, Mama?
Alright.
So anyway, congratulations everyone.
Thank you, Alan. Salamat. Okay, let's read, before I call in June Lalin, siya yung next na magtatanong. There's a question here from Jeremiah of Lionheart TV. First question is for Janine. Janine, sabi ni Jeremiah, it's amazing how you have grown by leaps and bounds as an actor since you moved to ABS-CBN a few years ago. Even before that you moved, you were already a great actress. What's your usual response when people say Janine is a much better actress under ABS-CBN?
Well, syempre, I'm so grateful talaga for all the projects I've done here. As in, grabe talaga yung level of commitment and creativity and collaboration natin dito sa Dreamscape and especially sa ABS-CBN. And I owe so much to like the 3 years pa lang ako dito, nakapamilya. And grabe yung mga nakakatrabaho ko, yung mga karakter na nagampanan ko. And sobra yung pagpapasalamat ko, especially to Sir Deo, na talagang, you know, he really trusted me and took me under his wing and made me a part of the Dreamscape family. So I'm so grateful. And at the same time, I'm also so grateful to my former network kasi doon ako nag-umpisa from zero. Kasi sila yung naghirap sa akin na mga, wala talaga akong alam sa ginagawa ko. So, I'm so grateful to all the creatives I worked with there and the directors I worked with there. And every experience, every project na nadaanan ko since nag-umpisa ako has contributed to who I am today. At patuloy akong natututo sa mga nakakatrabaho ko. At sa inyo din, sa mga fans, dahil yung mga komento nyo, yung mga reaction nyo, yun din talagang nag-inspire sa amin na talagang pagbutihan pa sa trabaho.
MJP, di ba, in fairness to Janine, even before she moved to ABS-CBN, she is already a recipient of 2 Best Actress Awards.
Yeah.
Urian Best Actress and Eddie's Best Actress.
Correct. Saka siya mata-mata acting.
The phenomenal Dirty Linen.
Dirty Linen, di ba?